Cause Stifler's mom, then age 38 years, now age 60 years. Real name Jennifer Coolidge. Cast Paul Finch, then age 19 years, now age 41 years. Real name Eddie Thomas. Cast Heather, then age 20 years, now age 42 years. Real name Mena Suvari. Cast Matt Stifler, then age 13 years, now age 36 years. Real name Eli Marienthal. Cast Mr. Levenstein, then age 53 years, now age 75 years. Real name Eugene Levy. Cast Chris Oz, then age 20 years, now age 43 years. Real name Klein. Cast Jessica, then age 20 years, now age 42 years. Real name Natasha. Cast Jim Levenstein, then age 21 years, now age 42 years. Real name Jason Biggs. Cast Chuck Sherman, then age 19 years, now age 41 years. Real name Chris Owen. Cast Nadia, then age 26 years, now age 48 years. Real name Shannon Elizabeth. Cast English teacher, then age 51 years, now age 73 years. Real name Klein Kasatsu. Cast Steve Stifler, then age 23 years, now age 45 years. Real name Sean William Scott. Cast Coach Marshall, then age 60 years, Now age 82 years. Real name Lawrence Pressman. Cast holding girl. Then age 19 years. Now age 41 years. Real name Hilary Angelo. Cast Vicky. Then age 24 years. Now age 46 years. Real name Tara Reid. Cast John. Then age 27 years. Now age 49 years. Real name John Cho. Thanks for watching.